Looking for a budget-friendly 4K smart TV that doesn't compromise on quality? Introducing the Hisense 43-inch 4K smart TV, model 43A6NTUK. This 2024 model promises a lot. But does it deliver? Stick around to find out if this TV is the perfect fit for your living room or gaming setup. Welcome back, tech lovers. Today, we're breaking down the Hisense 43A6NTUK 4K Smart TV. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. This TV isn't just about the stunning picture, it's got everything from Game Mode Plus with VR for gamers, to AI Sports Mode for sports fans, and the user-friendly vidaa operating system for smooth navigation. We'll also be covering what real customers have to say about this TV, including the pros and cons that you should know before you hit that buy button. Let's dive into some of the key features. First, we have 4K Dolby Vision. This isn't your average HDR. Dolby Vision creates deeper blacks and brighter highlights, making movies and TV shows feel more cinematic. Pair that with smooth motion technology, and you'll notice fluid, sharp images even during fast-paced action scenes or sports. For gamers, Game Mode Plus with 60Hz VR, variable refresh rate, and ALLM, Auto Low Latency Mode, reduces input lag and provides a smoother gaming experience. This TV also features a natural precision color enhancer with AI processor, ensuring that every image you see is optimized for more lifelike visuals. The TV also comes with AI Sports Mode, automatically adjusting settings to make watching sports more immersive. It has 16-watt Dolby Atmos Sound Virtual X and Dolby Atmos technologies for an immersive sound experience. The audio will pull you into the scene. The built-in smart TV features vidaa U7.6 OS Alexa built-in voice remote Apple Home work with Google Home, Netflix, YouTube, and many more for unlimited entertainment. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi, screen mirroring, and multiple USB and HDMI ports and built-in Alexa voice control. Sleek dual stand and bezel-less design make it a stylish addition to any room with dual stand adjustment. Now, let's see what real customers are saying. The picture quality is one of the standout positives. Many users love the 4K resolution and Dolby Vision, praising the TV for delivering vibrant colors and sharp details, even in dark scenes. On the gaming side, customers have praised the Game Mode Plus, saying it noticeably reduces input lag. However, some users feel the 60Hz refresh rate could be a bit limiting for fast-paced gaming, especially when compared to higher-end models with 120Hz. As for the smart features, the vidaa OS has received mixed reviews. But overall, it's considered user-friendly and straightforward. So, is the Hisense 43-inch Full HD QLED Smart TV right for you? Here's a quick rundown of the pros and cons. 1. Quantum dot color delivers vibrant and true-to-life visuals. 2. HDR and HLG provide excellent contrast and detail, even in dark scenes. 3. Dolby Atmos creates a more immersive audio experience. 4. Access to all your favorite streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Disney+. 5. Compact and stylish design, perfect for small spaces or secondary rooms. Consider following drawbacks. 1. Smart interface can be a bit laggy when switching apps. 2. Sound quality could be improved, might need a soundbar for the best experience. 3 to 60Hz refresh rate might feel limiting for serious gamers. To wrap things up, it's time for Wisdom Headquarter verdict. The Hisense 43-inch QLED Smart TV is a great choice for anyone looking for premium features like quantum dot color, HDR, and Dolby Atmos in a compact package. It's perfect for bedrooms, small living rooms, or even as a secondary TV. If you're looking for vibrant visuals and smart features without the hefty price tag, this model is worth considering with 4.4 rating. Find link in description. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. See you next time.